Hello friends, this is Charjan. Welcome to my YouTube channel TPSC Learners. So in this video, we will talk about speech on Republic Day for your online classes. It will surely help for your online classes either you are a teacher or a student. So let's begin. First of all, a happy Republic Day to each one of you out there. Republic Day is celebrated every year on the 26th of January. This year, India will celebrate its 73rd Republic Day. Today, when a fellow few Indians talk about the fear of losing basic rights that the Constitution has given us, this day becomes more important. Although we celebrate Republic Day as a national festival since our childhood, but we understand the real importance of this day when we grow up. Gantantra Divas is celebrated on 26th January every year. On this day in the year 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. Our Constitution gives us rights and responsibilities too. We live in a democratic country where people enjoy their fundamental rights. In society, we have different caste, religion, or many other things that separate us. But on a broader picture, we all are Indians. Yes, we all are Indians. India is a land which is a great example of unity in diversity. The beauty of our country is we have a different language and we also have conflicts and differences, but on national festivals, we all stand as a united force. Since childhood, 26th January has been a memorable day for all of us. Many of us may recall this day as a festival and celebrates it in schools by participating in cultural programs and in other activities. For a few of us, this is the day we get up to watch the Republic Day parade. The military parade starts from Vijay Chowk and culminates at the Red Fort in the national capital, that is Delhi. The weapons and the equipment that the army shows in the parade reflect the power of our armed forces. On this day, the award and the medals of bravery are also given to the armed forces and to the civilians too. The main attraction for the bravery awards is the young kids who are awarded by the Prime Minister for showing ultimate bravery besides being young who have saved the lives of other people. When the helicopters of the armed forces fly past the parade area and the Shah Rose petals on the audience, everyone feels special. The program ends with the national anthem. Whether you are at home or watching parade, personally, you get up to give the respect to the national anthem. It's a day that makes us think beyond the past, creed, religion, state, language, and color, and we all feel the same emotion of loving our country. So, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Hindustan.